Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Sanidhya. So today's video is going to be about, yes, as we all are excited for all the festivals which are going to come. मतलब आ ही गए हैं बस अभी 2-4 दिन और. And sad at the same time because yes, we cannot celebrate जैसे हम पहले करते थे. It's not going to be like that. Absolutely. But yes, why not? हम घर पे भी रह के काफ़ी चीज़ सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. And we all are aware Raksha Bandhan is here, just here only. And we all have like बहुत कम टाइम है. एंड हमने कुछ भी शॉपिंग नहीं की है. स्पेशली मैंने तो बिल्कुल नहीं की है बिकॉज जो भी वार्डरोब में मिलेगा, जो भी है पुराना, आई मीन नया ही बट थोड़ा पुराना, नथिंग न्यू, वही पहनने वाले हैं. सो आई नो मेनी ऑफ अस आर गोइंग टू डू द सेम बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द situation. We cannot go out, we cannot shop, and online shopping we are not that safe. We all have that thing inside कि हम shopping करेंगे या बाहर से कुछ भी आया तो I know, yeah. So instead of that we can just go ahead and mix and match something या फिर कुछ भी मम्मी के वार्डरोब में से, दीदी के वार्डरोब में से या पापा भाई जिसके वार्डरोब में से आपको जो भी मिले, just grab it and wear it guys, because I know things are not going to be that happy but we can make it a little happy. So yeah, this video is going to be about different outfits which I have tried for the Rakhi, and I hope you guys will like it. And if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do that and do not forget to watch the full video and let me in the comment section आपको कौन सा outfit अच्छा लगा. Whatever you want to say, just let me in the comment section. And कुछ रह गया, हाँ, do not forget to press the bell icon so that I can notify you for the next videos as well. Let's get started. So very first look in our list is with your palazzo pant and your any of your favorite top. So palazzos cannot be wrong. It's always right option for festive season, and with the good color combination will always give you an amazing look, like neon green and this blue top also, which has neck detailing. I have teamed up with this bracelet, light bracelet and a earring. Also I tucked it inside to give it a little high look. You can do the same if you feel. Because of the neck area, it has good detailing, so it is going really well. So the second outfit for this Rakhi can be your amazing lehenga, like whichever you want to wear. I'm just wearing a simple plain lehenga, which is net plain lehenga, and it is just a semi kind of a skirt lehenga, which is actually perfect for Rakhi because it doesn't look like you're going into shadi or something, and at the same time it looks festive. It gives festive vibes. And with the same top which has neck detailing, I just love this top. And don't forget your high heels because if you're wearing lehenga, it is must. And in the third outfit, I'm wearing my palazzo pant again. So this palazzo is a little different, like it has side this two knots. And with the same top, this top I have not tucked it inside because that down detailing which is there to the top, it is actually looking amazing. Then yes, how we can forget, if any festival is there, you must wear sari. So I'm wearing this, my favorite sari, which I love wearing, chiffon. Chiffon is one of the sari which gives you, everyone I think have that dream sari in this chiffon. So yeah, I'm wearing this with the all thing like blouse and everything, which I have the pair for the sari. And for the next look, you can just go ahead with any of your dupatta with the same sari, and you have to just make a plaits, mixing that plaits with the dupatta. And here we go. This is the final look, which will actually give you very different look. I think this can be the best for this time, because if you have bored you wearing your sari all time and you want to just create it something different, so this is the best option. You can go ahead with this. I just love this because my blouse is golden and I have golden detailing, so I chose this golden dupatta. You can go ahead with black dupatta, any other, whichever your sari matches. If it doesn't, still it will give you the same vibes. For next look, again I'm using the same dupatta with the same sari. This you have to do is that you have to take the dupatta's two sides, opposite two sides, and just pin it with the big safety pin. And take the right sides and just put it cross, like from your one shoulder to the down. And here we go, this is what it is. This is the final look, and this is totally different. Like it's not giving you total Indo-Western look also, but it's also giving you the festive look. If your sari is totally plain and you want some dupatta, you have to be like, oh my god, this should be my sari. So here we go, you can just go ahead with this one. This looks amazing. So you can never go wrong with white. And here we go, if you have any white kurta, white cotton kurta, so just go ahead. It always gives you festive looks, vibes. And yes, I'm wearing this loose white kurta with the palazzo pant, and you can never go wrong with this.